the first cell phone with a rechargeable battery, a game-changing moment in mobile history. The Motorola DynaTAC 8000X, introduced in 1983, was a revolutionary device that changed the course of mobile communications forever. It was the world's first commercially available cell phone and was marketed as a personal portable phone. At the time, the idea of carrying a phone with you everywhere you went was a novel concept. And the DynaTAC 8000X was met with great excitement and enthusiasm. One of the key features of the DynaTAC 8000X was its rechargeable battery, which was a significant improvement over the disposable batteries used in earlier mobile phones. The battery was a nickel-cadmium (NiCad) type, which was the most common type of rechargeable battery at the time. However, NiCad batteries were not without their drawbacks, including a relatively short lifespan, susceptibility to memory effect, and potential toxicity issues. Despite its limitations, the DynaTAC 8000X's rechargeable battery was a game-changer in the world of mobile communications. The ability to recharge the battery meant that users could talk for longer periods without needing to replace the battery, making the device more convenient and practical. The battery could provide up to 30 minutes of talk time, which was considered impressive at the time. However, the downside was that the battery took a lengthy 10 hours to recharge, which meant that users had to plan their usage carefully. The DynaTAC 8000X was a large and bulky device, weighing in at over 2 pounds and measuring 13 inches in length. The battery, which was housed in a compartment at the bottom of the phone, contributed significantly to the device's weight and size. Despite its size, the DynaTAC 8000X was a status symbol and was seen as a must-have accessory for business people and high-profile individuals. In the years following the release of the DynaTAC 8000X, the mobile phone industry exploded, and countless companies began producing their own devices. However, many of these early devices were still powered by disposable batteries, which were not only environmentally unfriendly but also inconvenient for users. It wasn't until the development of newer battery technologies, such as lithium-ion, Li-ion batteries, that rechargeable batteries became more efficient and practical for mobile devices. Today, rechargeable Li-ion batteries are the standard for most smartphones and mobile devices. They provide longer battery life and faster charging times than their NiCad predecessors, making them more convenient and practical for users. Li-ion batteries are also safer and more environmentally friendly than NiCad batteries, as they do not contain toxic metals such as cadmium. In conclusion, the Motorola DynaTAC 8000X was a groundbreaking device that paved the way for modern mobile communications. Its rechargeable battery was a significant improvement over disposable batteries, providing users with greater convenience and practicality. While the NiCad battery technology used in the DynaTAC 8000X is now considered outdated, it was a crucial step in the evolution of mobile phone batteries, leading to the development of newer and more efficient technologies that power the devices we use today. If you are a trivia lover, please like and subscribe so you don't miss our latest trivia video collection. Don't forget to share with your friends and relatives so that knowledge can expand.